What's going on? Package today. Tim Mauzy. Tim. Used to be Tim26847. Real good buddy Tim. Huge priority mail package. He warned me something was coming. I don't know what you did. But thank you in advance. What the heck is in here? Holy crap. That's one big slap. Holy crap. I don't know who is man enough to take that on. But we got number 2, Yeehaw. Oh, we even got a word find in there. Denny and Susie. This says Denny number 1, Susie. On the back card, Susie is in the shower, so I'll rip into it instead. This tape is pulling off. I will not rip into Susie's. That's some good tape. There's Susie's. Put that aside for her. Number 3. Let's go with the card. Do yourself a favor, give Tim Mauzy a sub. I will leave his link below. Awesome guy, known him for many years. Many years. May the peace and joy of the season be yours through the new year. Oh, shit, nice. I'll have to show you the photo. Though this is a little late, hope your Christmas and New Year's was an awesome one. It was. Much mojo to you in the coming year at the auctions. Yes. My day job, going to the auctions. Tim and Crystal. We even have a Crystal auto for the PC. Awesome. And the photo that was in there was freaking badass. There's Tim and Crystal. His Honey Bunch. That's a Shane Douglas. ECW, man. Awesome photo, guys. That is so awesome you got to meet him. So I don't know. This one says number 1. So we will go with number 1. Oh man, nice. Steve McNair rookie card. Do not have that one actually. So that's badass right there. And another one I don't have. From Pacific. Alcorn State. And no, I don't think I have this one either. I think you had a hat trick, buddy. Steve McNair rookie. Rookie collection from Collector's Choice. Damn. Alright, so this one says number 2. Although I don't have to number 2 right now. Open number 2. Get the hell out. Oh man. Shit, there's something else in here too. This is badass. It is signed too. I got bad lighting in here, I can't. Freaking when he went to the Dukes of Hazzard museum. Cooter signed freaking Cooter's Garage card. That is badass. Always watched Dukes of Hazzard growing up. And New Adventure, the Dukes of Hazzard. And there's that flag that you're not supposed to show in the background. Get the heck out. We got some some coloring and stuff to do. There's Uncle Jesse. Some puzzles, games. That is awesome, dude. Coloring and activity book. There you go. That is freaking badass. Love that show. Daisy Duke. Never go wrong with Daisy Duke. Back when I was a youngin', learning all about boobies and stuff. Denny and Susie. Denny number 3. I guess I'll open number 3. Back was already coming off from my... Dude, this is awesome! Kings of Hardcore Volume 1. Signed by Shane Douglas. That is freaking awesome, dude. Tim, right there, just this one. Or just anything would have been awesome. Anything I opened already. You went crazy, man. I wasn't this good a guy for Christmas. Yes, I will be checking that out when Susie goes to bed because she hates wrestling, but I love it. Signed copy. Holy crap. This one says us, so I'm going to open it. Hopefully you don't mind, because I don't know. She won't be ready to do this stuff. Get the heck out. I watch this all the time. Saved by the Bell. Screech and Zach. Wow. Seasons 1 and 2. Shit, I used to watch that all the time. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I cannot thank you enough, Tim. Christmas is still going on in my house, apparently. So, huge hookup. Check out Tim. I actually have your stuff sitting right over to the left of me, and still waiting on a couple things to send you because it's the way it's going to happen. But this stack from Tim, everybody. Susie, I'll sneak her in a video or something next time I do a video, and we'll get her to open that on camera. So Tim, thank you so much, man. You've been an awesome friend all these years, and you know darn well you don't have to hook me up that good. Like you always say to me, friendship means everything. That's what counts the most. But gifts like this are just icing on the cake. I'll say it every time. Definitely didn't deserve all these hookups this year. Thank everyone who sent me something. And hopefully that'll be it for the year, because I am in a cardboard debt. But that's alright. We'll get out of it sometime. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an awesome... Wow, we got freaking dots on my face. Have an awesome day.